welcome. Join Gerhard Johansson on a trip to Sweden's second largest island, where he will experience autumn and all the waders. It will be a trip from south to north with his friend Gerhard Andersson. It will not be a boat trip, as you see, as there has been a 6-kilometer long bridge since 1972.
My name is Gerhard Johansson and I live in the southwest of Sweden, and I'm a nature photographer. And if you like what you have seen, you can subscribe here.
The trip started early one day, and the fog was thick at times. And as usual, they stopped at Lake Hilsjön to take a coffee break. Here is a much appreciated picnic area that is incredibly beautiful. The egg sandwich tasted great with the hot coffee. Then it was time to set off again, and after about 4 hours of driving, the Öland Bridge appeared. The weather was calm and the sea was almost mirror-like. It is a wonderful experience to drive over the high bridge section, which is almost 42 meters high. The bridge is 4 lanes, and they quickly approached Öland. The weather is just getting better and better. It's warm and almost no wind. They're going to visit Begersham, which is a famous bird spot.
Now I have walked out and has not much birds, so I will go to another place.
Here they are on their way to Oland's southern tip with the Långjan lighthouse. With a height of 42 meters, Långjan is the country's tallest lighthouse. 197 steps lead up to the top, and the view over the Baltic Sea in southern Oland is overwhelming. There weren't many birds there, so they turned towards Säbybaden. Here is Göran photographing waders.
So good. So good. There was just an eagle flying over. it's a nice place to be, and here are some waders, and I have taken pictures and movies. And here are also cows. Now I'm tired. I have been out and photographed. You can hear the birds all around, and this is empty. So I will go another round and see if I can photograph in the sunset, because then I get the right colors. So follow me. I will go now. Now I will camp here in Jan's garden. He lives in the north of Sweden, but he has a little house here. So this night I will camp here. So I have electric. It's a nice evening, so now we are going to eat.
There was a beautiful sunset in the evening. Oland is known for its hundreds of windmills. By the mid-19th century, there were over 2,000 mills, but today around 350 remain.
At Kapelludden, and there's a lot of waders going out here, and I will go down on the beach, lay down and lay there for 10-15 minutes, and for sure they will come. And after that I will show you pictures and movies from here. Coffee time. It's good to have a camping car. Now I'm fixing the food for 2 persons. You can maybe see it here, and we will sit out in the sun and eat. So
Now they have come up to northern Öland on their way out to the lighthouse Long Erik. Long Erik is a 32-meter high lighthouse built of limestone. There are 138 steps up to the balcony, which is located at a height of about 28 meters.
now I'm on my way home, and I will just have something to eat and then I will drive home. And if you like this movie, you can please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!